Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Investigators at the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division, FNID, say Jamaica is being increasingly used in cocaine trafficking by players in the criminal underworld. The revelation comes after a Colombian national and 2 other men were nabbed in relation to a major cocaine seizure off Jamaica's south coast. Details in this report. The charges stem from a joint operation last Wednesday when the JDF Coast Guard intercepted a vessel about 20 miles off Portland Ridge. The authorities say more than 1,100 kilograms of suspected cocaine, valued at over $700 million, were seized. The men are set to appear in court on May 7 as investigations continue. While lauding the efforts in this latest drug bust, Commanding Officer for the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division, Superintendent Patray Rowe, points to an even bigger picture.
We believe that this is a broader activity into the trafficking network, trafficking of cocaine. Since the start of the year, we have seen an unprecedented number of amount of cocaine being seized in Jamaica. So far, over 4,000 kilograms of cocaine valued at over 2.5 billion Jamaican dollars. Over the last 10 years, the highest seizure that we have had is 2,224 kilograms of cocaine, and that was in 2024 when there was a record amount of seizure in that year. For context, we are only 4 months in the year, and we have seized over 100% of the highest single seizure that we have had in a year.
But what has led to this increase in cocaine trafficking in recent times? Superintendent Rowe offered this theory.
We believe that the geopolitical environment is influencing a change in routes, change in modus operandi of the traffickers, and that has resulted in much more cocaine coming through Jamaica.
He stressed that not only are the drugs being seized, but the conviction rate is also high.
In every seizure that we have made since the start of the year, almost every seizure, we have made arrests. So we are seizing the drugs in the hands of people. And that is always a plus for us. We are able to make arrests, to secure conviction, to test these matters before the court.
He says with increased regional and international partnership, drug traffickers are facing increased pressure on the high seas.